Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for December 14th, 2018. Welcome, everyone. Market cap it fell down to 105 billion, meaning that $3 billion have come out in the market in the last 24 hours, and the volume in the last 24 hours was 12 billion, lower than we see usual. Yesterday, we also saw a lower day in volume. BTC dominance has come to 54.9%. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, it's hovering around the $3,300 level. Here on CoinMarketCap, it's down nearly 4%. But if you look at the top 10 coins, we can see Bitcoin SV down 9%, doing $78. Bitcoin Cash 8.5% down, doing $90. And Stellar even down at 7%, doing 10 cents right now. I haven't seen Stellar for a long time on this level. If we look at what's going on in the gainers, we can see DentaCoin up 25%, Waves up 13%, 10x up 7%, Maker up 4.5%. The coins which have not done that well are Wax, 15% down, Bitcoin Private, again, 13% down, Factum, 14% down, Teasus, 12% down, and Stratus, 10% down. So let's quickly have a look at the chart. So this is the daily chart on Bitcoin USD on Bitstamp. And as you can see, after we got this confirmation from this doji that the market would go down, it has been going down since the 11th of December. So now we can see even the body of here, of the one on the 11th in December and 12th December is lower again, and the 13th is lower again. Now today the candle just started, but the body again is lower and is coming close to what happened on December 7th, where we touched $3,200 level. We are very close in touching it. Right now on Bitstamp, Bitcoin is doing $32.58. So this $3,200 level is a key significant resistance level. So if we go through this, there is, the next stop, I don't know, but might be around $1,500. We have to see that. But more importantly is that we are now testing the $3,200 resistance line. If you look at the RSI, you can see again the relative strength index is just going sideways at 20%. It's not giving us any indication what is happening. Volumes, I've been telling you guys, is declining, which usually means there is a breakout in some form or another. But if you look at the stochastics, which also went out of the bandwidth, let's see how this is going to roll. Now let's go and see what the news has to say. So what is Bitcoin Top's Google questions category for 2018? So in Google Trends, you can basically look up what is going on with BTC and how many times people are looking at it, and so definitely it's been very, very popular. But also phrases like how to buy Ripple has been also very popular in the last year. If you go to Google Trends, you can see what these questions are and where they are. So if you look, the number one search term for the country of Romania is what is Bitcoin. So in Romania, in Europe, is basically really phenomenal to see that. Now, very interesting is also to see in South America about what is going on. Now, in South America, it's of course very usual because there is hyperinflation in some countries like Venezuela, like in Argentina. So it makes sense that this is done up there. But very surprisingly, the Netherlands is also there, where there is a lot of interest for Bitcoin coming out. The adoption in the Netherlands is not there. They don't have any hyperinflation in the Netherlands or Europe, but still it's very surprisingly to see them on the number 2 spot. Then Ghana in Africa, Slovenia in Europe, and Nigeria in Africa. These are all top regions where the term Bitcoin seems to be very, very, very popular. Now, if we look in the US specifically, then we can see definitely Hawaii and California are topping it, but then Washington, New York, and Nevada are basically also where the term cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is very, very popular. Let's see how this is going to be, and also something to look at is that will Bitcoin go back up? Is a search term which has risen 18,000% in the last 12 months. We all hope Bitcoin will do better in 2019. All right, let's continue with the German stock exchange will launch a crypto trading platform. So, we have got Binance, Huobi, Kraken, all these platforms, but the German stock exchange, Börse Stuttgart Group, will launch a cryptocurrency trading platform during 2019. And it's the second biggest stock exchange in Germany. The Frankfurt Stock Exchange is obviously the number one, but in Stuttgart, the second is also very big in Europe and in Germany. So it's going to be very interesting how this German stock exchange is launching a crypto trading platform. I think it's going to be awesome. There will be more competition. Now, it's also going to be regulated. So I think this is going to be a lot of demand for this as a whole. The last news comes from the UAE. Ripple remittance channels to open on UAE Exchange in the first quarter of 2019. UAE Exchange is one of the leading global money transfers and exchange solutions, basically. They have plans to implement RippleNet into its services by the first quarter of 2019. So RippleNet has been rolled out, and UAE Exchange is basically one of the first exchanges to aggressively look at this technology and adopt it on their own platform. So this will make UAE Exchange the largest payment solution provider in the Middle East. Now, if you look in the UAE, a lot of expats remit their money back home, and they do it through exchange houses like UAE Exchange. This is definitely going to be a phenomenal platform to use RippleNet and see how much the cost has been reduced to remit back. All right. This was the news for today. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website, bitcoinmagazine.nl, and I hope to see you on the next one.